Meaning of illegitimacy.
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 Illegitimacy. The term illegitimacy refers to the status of a child born outside of marriage. Historically, illegitimate children were stigmatized and faced legal and social disadvantages. In modern times, however, attitudes towards illegitimacy have shifted, and many countries have eliminated legal distinctions between legitimate and illegitimate children. Today, the term illegitimacy is often considered outdated and offensive. Instead, it is more common to use neutral terms such as out-of-wedlock birth or non-marital birth. It is important to recognize that all children, regardless of their parents' marital status, deserve love, care, and respect.